Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use Narrable, which is a free website that allows you to upload images or pictures you have and record the story behind them. You can record them from the microphone that's on your computer, or you can even record them from your cell phone. First, you'll need to set up an account. It is free, like I said, but you will need an email address, and go ahead and confirm that email address. Once you have, you'll come up to the top and hit Create. Okay, from here you can upload your images, you can drag and drop them. I've already created a folder on my desktop and I'm going to select some photos from there. I chose Cell City and put in a few pictures. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and just drop them in. So choose, and again to open up another one you just hit upload, and I'm going to hit another picture. And what I'm doing is making a cell city based off of a few images I selected from Google, so I thought this might be a good alternative to the project that you're currently making because I know some of you do not have the inspiration software at home. Okay, once you have your pictures loaded, you'll need to go ahead and give your Narrable a title, and I'm going to say Cell City. Okay, you may also want to drag a cover photo by simply placing it here. And let's just say that these power poles are going to be my Narrable cover for the Cell City. And go ahead and hit save. Okay, once you've hit save, then you can change your photo options here. You can play your Narrable like a slideshow. You can change the format so that the pictures are in different shapes and sizes. But more than anything, you're going to want to narrate your Narrable because that is what's going to tell the story. So you'll click the speaker icon and notice it says call to record, upload an audio, let's say if you pre-recorded it, or go ahead and just record it straight into the Narrable, which is what I'm going to choose to do. Okay, you have to say who's talking, which is of course me. Whoops, Ingo Larkin. And then I'll start my recording. For example, I would say, we get a 3, 2, 1 countdown. The water treatment facility of a city is like the vacuole of a cell because they both store water, nutrients, and waste material. Okay, you can play it back and preview it, but you already know what my voice sounds like, so we don't need to. Go ahead and hit save, and now the recording is finished. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and record the others while you're not listening because you don't need to see me go through them all, and then I will play back what the finished product looks like. Okay, now that I've added the narration to each picture, let's look at a few finishing touches. You can go up to the picture icon of each picture, and then you can resize the photo by making it larger, or you may choose to make it smaller. You can also choose to move it around, so move photo, and it'll let you drag and drop the photo where you would like it.
Both store water,
Or
nutrients,
it will start
and waste
talking.
material.
Okay, as I was trying to say before I was so rudely interrupted by myself, you click the Move Photo button, and then you start dragging, and as you can see, it'll make a new place for you to drag and drop whatever photo you'd like to move around on your board here. Okay, so let's say that you're happy with your narration and your picture placement. Let's do a quick review of the whole show, and then I'll show you how to post it to Edmodo and turn it in.
Just like the nucleus controls all the functions of the cell. The power poles of this town are just like the mitochondria of a cell because they both provide power and energy to fuel the processes needed to sustain the city or the cell.
Okay, so that was the tail end of the presentation. Well, now we're going to be ready to share the presentation. Okay, if you look in the bottom corner of your screen, you'll see a share button. Okay, well, we're not using Facebook, and I really don't want it in an email, definitely not Twitter or Pinterest, so you're going to select Embed. And you're going to take this embed code and copy it. Okay, and then you're going to go to Edmodo. And I've already pulled up Edmodo, so here we are. And of course you have an assignment box, which I don't have because I'm a teacher and not a student, but I'm going to show you how to embed it anyway. So you're going to go to link, and of course this will be in the assignment box, and notice here it says HTTP or an embed code. Paste it, And I'm going to go ahead and give it a title, which is Cell City. And I'll call it a Narrable so we know what it is. And I'll hit attach. And I'm going to go ahead and send it out to our Mabry Life Science group. Okay, and once it posts, it will be live and you can watch this video and create your own Narrable. Again, it took me about 5 minutes to learn how to use this software and it would be a great alternative to anyone who's worried about completing their Cell City and not having the inspiration software. So I hope that helps you and I hope you learned a new tool that maybe you can use in your other classes as well. Thanks guys, have a great night.